Have you ever replayed an old memory so vividly it felt like you were there again? Or imagined a future moment that hasn't happened but felt so real it gave you chills? Well, what if I told you that your brain can literally time travel? Hey there, welcome back to Brainy Bytes, the channel where your brain snacks on the weirdest, wildest, and most wonderful facts about life, science, and the world we live in. If you're into curiosity that keeps you up at night, hit that like button and subscribe, because today, we're jumping through time. What you're doing when you remember your first day of school, or imagine your 80th birthday, something scientists call mental time travel. Unlike most animals, humans have this superpower through what is known as episodic memory, the part of your brain that stores and replays personal events. But here's where it gets really trippy. When you remember something, you're not just retrieving it like a file. Your brain actually reconstructs that memory, piece by piece, feeling by feeling, sound by sound. It's like your mind becomes a movie director, pulling out props from the past to replay an entire scene. But here's the twist. The same part of the brain lights up when you imagine the future. That's right. When you're daydreaming about your dream vacation or your future job, or even an awkward conversation that hasn't happened yet. Your brain is recycling past experiences to construct what might happen next. One study published in Science found that people with damage to their hippocampus, the area crucial for memory, couldn't imagine future events at all. Without a past to draw from, the future becomes a blank screen. So in a way, our future depends on our ability to remember. Think about that. Ever rehearse a conversation that hasn't happened? Ever get a nostalgic smell that suddenly throws you back years? Or had a dream about something you hope will happen? That's your brain time traveling without a flux capacitor. So the next time you zone out and drift into a memory, or start planning what you'll say in that big meeting tomorrow, just know you're not wasting time, you're time traveling. If your mind is officially blown, give this video a like, share it with someone who lives in their head like you do, and don't forget to subscribe for more Brainy Bytes. That'll leave you questioning everything. See you in the next timeline.